for about a month there, Melania Trump went missing. The First Lady was recovering from a 4-hour surgery, according to remark President Donald Trump made Friday, referring to the procedure Melania underwent on May 14 for what her office characterized as a benign kidney condition. She had been hospitalized for 5 days after, and had directed her staff to release almost no information on her condition during her recovery. So we're told. This article originally appeared in Salon. Melania remained mysteriously out of the public eye for nearly a month, igniting a storm of rumors about her whereabouts and condition. The speculation ran the gamut, from the gossipy, plastic surgery recovery, maybe a presidential divorce brewing, to the dark with insinuation of possible physical abuse and, or a complete mental breakdown. Melania Watch 2018 slowed on Monday when a grainy photo of her emerged, like a glammed-up Bigfoot spotting, from a private reception for Gold Star families. The rumors came to an end, for now, on Wednesday when she made her first press-covered post-operation appearance at a FEMA meeting on hurricane season, where President Trump called her absence a little rough patch, but assured attendees that she was doing great. If you say so, Donald, a verbal skirmish between Trump's personal lawyer Rudy Giuliani and the First Lady's Candice week over Stormy Daniels' allegations that she and Donald Trump had an affair showed some, well, tension in the messaging, though. Giuliani claimed on Wednesday that Melania believes her husband, and she knows the affair allegations are untrue, but on Thursday, Melania's communication director Stephanie Grisham shut that down with a frosty Maria-level statement to CNN, claiming, "I don't believe Mrs. Trump has ever discussed her thoughts on anything with Mr. Giuliani. On Friday, President Trump revealed that Melania hadn't accompanied him to the G7 summit in Canada because her doctors had advised her not to fly during her recovery, information that the White House had played close to the chest until rumors grew more fanciful, had Melania pulled a "Gone Girl" and pissed out of the whole operation just to teach Trump a lesson about indiscretion with adult film star. Would they find her living in an anonymous Hilton down the road from Mar-a-Lago, watching true crime documentary, experimenting with new hair colors and accent, maybe framing him for murder just for kick? Alas, not this time. And so Trump's no-fly excuse for Melania skipping the G7 summit arrived just in time, throwing the audience, sorry, the American people, en information bonne that plausibly explain her absence from his side. It's a canny strategy to manage the Where's Melania narrative in this way, which has tantalized viewers constituent, perhaps because it always seems on the verge of unraveling in a spectacular or even ominous manner. Melania is back now, or back as much as she was ever in, as she seems more reluctant than any First Lady in recent memory to assume the full complement of traditional duties of the role. But don't be surprised if Melania watches continue to pop up periodically throughout the Trump presidency, like tornado sirens for the conspiracy adult public all too willing to believe anything sinister is possible in the psychosexual hellscape that is Donald Trump's home. The White House didn't exactly tell the full truth about Melania's surgery to begin with, which can be interpreted as respect for her extremely private nature or evidence of unchecked and indulgent prevarication, depending on your voter registration, and It is indictment season, so if we didn't already see conspiracy and cover-ups and collusion in the Sesame Seed constellation of every bun that passed through the president's bragging Big Mac all before, Melania watch surely didn't help. Or hurt, as the case may be. Because I hear a segment of the American public are to believe naughty theories about Melania. Last year, it was all about the body double side to be standing in for her at public event. The president too seems quite willing to play along. It's obvious why see the value in drawing out Melania watch for a long as possible rather than putting a curtain sensible end to the ghoulish speculation any normal president would. Maestro of the watch what happened the brand of reality TV, Trump knows you can drag one secret and a semi-significant reveal, however anticlimactic in reality, out for a few tantalizing episodes before delivering the goods. But it's also easy to see why America is eager to indulge in Melania conspiracy theories, because they run adjacent to some very old and enduring misoculture plays out time and again in its narrative about beautiful women in trouble surrounded by possibly malevolent men. In her 2014 essay, The Oldest Story, Toward a Theory of a Dead Girl Show, for the La Review of Book, now the opening chapter in her highly anticipated forthcoming essay collection, Dead Girls. June 26, William Morrow, Alice Boleyn digs into the meaning behind her cultural obsession with stories that revolve around the mystery of a dead woman and the powerful, menacing men around her. In the Dead Girl Show, the girl bodies both a wellspring of and a target for sexual wickedness, Boleyn writes. Melania might have aged out of typical dead girl age, but her image had also helped meet cross with bikini model temptress can handily recast her into the depend objectify space usually reserved in these stories for younger women. That the theories about her went dark fast, in hiding after a trauma, perhaps even replaced with a replicant of some kind in a secret plot machinated by the President and his closest crony, suggests there's an audience for a Melania in Jeopardy narrative that says more about her collective anger than her reality. Father figure and male authorities hold a sinister interest in controlling girl bodies and, therefore, in harming them. Boleyn writes, a description that fits Donald Trump with his obsession over women's bodies, including his wife and daughters, to a T. In True Detective, the conspiracy goes all the way to the top, involving a US senator and his cousin, a powerful minister. We binged these stories on Netflix and podcast already. Add that to a White House shrouded in so much of brand intrigue it threatens to catch up to the Underwoods, and then consider the president's own flair for egging on a narrative perceived as popular. It's not entirely clear as any difference in his constituent believing his wife was recovering from a vicious physical attack and, say, Vanderpump Rules fans speculating about whether Jax would cheat on Brittany before or after the wedding, along as a result is high rating. All signs point to a few more years of Melania appearing and disappearing, like a very stylish ghost, along